adults. Okay, some of these things, if you want to have some points for your activation yourself, we will give you. It's mainly for hyperacidity. Single point solution. Having come here, please learn all these simple solutions. The simple solution, as I told you, even for adults, daily give a good massage for your whole form, front side, back side. No problem, absolutely. Your immune system, not only immune system, all the other systems will come back to normal. The solution also lies in your diagnosing. There is a book called Health in Your Hands by Vora. Dr. Vora, you just read that book, everything is in your hand only. Okay. For hyperacidity, there is a point called large intestine 4. If you close the thumb, you get a mount. The center of the mouth, if you touch, this point will be very painful for those people who have hyperacidity. Large intestine meridian, point number 4. LI4 is the main point for pressing and releasing within 1 minute. Your acidity will come under control. You don't have to take any antacid tablets. Somebody is taking antacid tablets, please teach them that LI4 point. From that time onwards, they will throw the antacids. Okay, very simple solution. People don't believe. Second point is your cervical spondylosis. People go with neck pain. Go for the root of the thumb this time. This is the first joint, second joint, third joint. Root of the thumb. You just root of the thumb, if you press and release 14 times and rotate this thumb 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise, cervical spondylosis will go. They don't have to. What they will do if you go for cervical spondylosis, they give painkillers. After that, they will give some diathermic activation, giving them current here and all, relaxing these muscles. And finally, they will give traction and they will give a collar also. So you can avoid all those things by going for the root of the thumb. If this is not working, go to the root of the big toe. Simple solution. Root of the big toe, you have the point. Just press the root of the big toe, release and rotate the big toe clockwise and anti-clockwise. Your cervical spondylosis vanish. The next one is about cold cough. As I told you, whenever you get cold cough, the lung 7 point and lung 10 point. For children, whatever you are giving, here you give anti-clockwise massage, here you give clockwise massage, your cold will vanish within. For that, you have to improve your immune system. For immune system, as I told you, spleen, kidney, intestine, liver, lymphatic. These are the 5 major organs which you have to activate daily. So if you don't know those points, you activate your whole form, it will activate your immune system also. Okay. Uterus. Yeah, I'm going to give you all the points, don't worry. For those people who have menses related problems, uterus related problem means menses related problem. As I told you, the spleen 6, this is the medial malleolus. 4 finger from this is a point on the bone, is called spleen 6. The spleen 6 point, if you give daily 1 minute massage, your menses related problems, whatever it is, will vanish. If you have menses related problems, spleen 6 is God-given point. Those people who are getting pain during both legs. You can activate one. One is enough, but both legs you can do, and you can experiment, and within minutes it will give wonderful result. Then, as I told you, for swelling in the leg or swelling in anywhere in the body, it's called the liver 3 point. What you are activating for the appetite point, within 24 hours, your swelling will come down. Even if there is an accident, if people are having swelling, you just touch that point for a minute, they will get very good relief within 24 hours. Some of the, you can ask otherwise, that is psoriasis is connected with liver and lungs. Okay, liver 1, lung cell. Okay.
Sir, if this is onset also, it would work, sir, or
disease, if it's about to come, it will vanish. If it is already there, it will be reversed. Yeah, psoriasis cured. Okay, Venugopal is there. Cured. Okay.
Simultaneously, follow the allopathy medicines also, or can we abruptly stop it?
No, so slowly you have to reduce it. Because you should not stop abruptly, then it will flare up like anything. So gradually you have to reduce it. Is there any other?
Constipation.
Yeah, constipation, simple point is this. CD25 is this point. Given in the website, the book also, you can do this. And also make sure this 3, large intestine 3, there is a point, give increase here. Large intestine 3 increase will give constipation problem with this. Will give good solution. Yeah. Eczema. See what is the basic thing is the liver and the lungs are interconnected. Lungs and the large intestine are interconnected. Liver is the one which controls the total health of the skin. The liver has to produce all the chemicals required for maintaining your whole body. Especially the skin is the maximum number, surface area is the skin only. So any problem, it comes out in the skin. The digestive problem only, it comes out in the skin. So eczema is, if you solve the digestive problem, eczema will vanish. What you have to do, increase the liver function by activating liver, large intestine, lungs, these 3 points. You just activate the liver reflex points, lung reflex points, and large intestine reflex points. Eczema will vanish.
LQ.
LQ.
LQ. Liver, large intestine and...
See, 90% of the problem they start with digestive problem.
Sir, you are telling the digestive now. See, we simply by eating anything, whatever we want and putting the pressure points, will it vanish, or is there any restriction in the eating habit?
Yeah, it's a very good question. So we have to call one dietitian next time. What we are telling is fried things you avoid because you are overloading your lungs, your liver. So basically you avoid fried things. Don't take bonda bhaji often. Once in a while, our taste we have to fulfill. Otherwise, human mind, will always crave for that. Yeah, tinbadan bitro. But eat. Once in a while, you eat anything you want, no problem. But avoid deep fried things. Deep fried things only affect the liver. That's all. No other solution. You eat more vegetables, more fruits, more this thing, natural, nothing will happen. The moment you take that, what you call bhaji bonda, that is what is that? Kadle mavo. That's enough. That is the one which will stick there. It will not come out. That is the one which creates problem for the large intestine. So you have to be very careful. See, eating, medicine is nothing but your food. Food is your medicine. Medicine is your food. If you don't have proper food, you don't expect good health.
Sir, do you say only the food what we eat creates all problems, not the things that contain in the pollution of air or something?
Yeah, anything which comes from outside, who has created that? We only. See, basically, now the RF radiation or cell phone. Now you give to the child cell phone for 5 minutes. The brain cells will go, it will go, degenerate. That the newborn child in the advertisement, hello, don't give cell phone to your below 10-year-old kids. Don't give them. Cell phone they should not talk because it contains RF radiation. RF radiation contains heat. When it is converted in the transmitter or receiver, the heat is produced. That same heat, when it goes inside your brain cells, it degenerates. You cannot regenerate. That is the time it is growing. The children below 10 years, if you give cell phone and I talk to them for tata atra matado, ajji atra matadu to matadre ashte, they will be talking at that time, but afterwards who will suffer? Children only will suffer. I am telling you, best thing is to avoid all this RF radiation which you cannot have even generated. The pollution. Every house has got two cars now. Why you need two cars? One car bus transport is good enough, means you can avoid all those things. We only create and we have to suffer. Now the heat and all those things mainly because of what we have created, the nature is reacting. Bangalore, we never faced this type of heat, this thing the last 40 years I have been there in this field here in Bangalore. I never faced like what we have faced in the last few months. It is a different. Okay, any other questions? I gave you a few points. Overall activation, you do this particularly. And those people who are interested in very good health, you can try even oil therapy. Just to take 10 milliliters of refined sunflower oil, early in the morning in the mouth. Keep moving like mouthwash. Like move it like a oil pulling they call it. Within 10 to 15 minutes it becomes white foam. Then you spit it out, not to the sink. Basically the sink will get clogged within 3 months. You give to the, spit it outside and brush it thoroughly. That's all the therapy. And it removes all the toxins from your blood. You can see their face after 6 months. 1 year you try. It will give you wonderful relief from many diseases. It is Sarva Roga Nivarani, he calls it, Karna TK. Those people initially there will be some vomiting sensation and all those things. But in the long run, if you follow all this acupressure and good water input and all those things, all your problems will get solved. Many times it works like miracle. Some people it reacts. See, all these things I am telling you one caution, it may not work for 100%, all the people. 100% it will not work. 90% it works, those 90% are healthy. The 10% people they have to look for allopathy or Ayurveda or homeopathy.
Bad breath is the name.
That's mainly stomach related. Stomach is affected, it will show in your mouth, breath as well as your tongue. Suppose stomach is having problem, heat is more, or large intestine heat is more, small intestine heat is more, you will get mouth ulcers, tongue ulcers. We go to the doctor, what is the indication? There is a road repair is going on in your stomach region, small intestine, large intestine. Don't eat, that's all the good. And mouth ulcers are there. 24 hours you leave it without eating. Take only liquid, your mouth ulcers will go. But what we do, we overrule that and we keep the road is under repair, it is telling you. But what we do, you are in the then what happens? Traffic jam. Again, all these things are natural. Natural process is what? To give you the protection. The God has given the healing power within us. Whatever is happening, it will cure. It has got the healing power. Nobody else can cure. But environment should be good.
Sir,
So,
in the morning, one last question. In the morning, you are often referring that psychosomatic diseases, psychosomatic. Actually, I would prefer to know what is the psychosomatic.
yeah, anything, the emotions play an important role. When the worry, if you start worrying about the exams, you start worrying about the life, you start worrying about anything, it will affect your stomach. Okay, similarly, grief is part and parcel of our life. Without grief, you tell anyone, in some time in your life you have to face the grief because parting takes place. Now and then people will leave this world, people will leave this country, people will leave this city. Then it's a parting. See, where you love more, the grief will be more. Okay. The next one is what? Basically fear. Fear has to be there. Too much fear is there, it affects the kidney. The grief is more, it affects the lungs. Okay. Then too much anger, it affects the liver. Vice versa. Liver is not functioning, anger will be more. Anger is more, liver will be. Then joy, heart. Joy is and the happiness is required for the brain and the heart. So heart feels the joy. You are here today, you are joyful, happy. But people sometimes, you are not having joy also. It's a problem for the heart. Always, all these 5 emotions, they play an important role. This mind is what? Nothing but composition of thoughts. The thought process. So basically your thoughts should be neutral thought. You need not be an attached one. It cannot be a detached one also. You need not hate people. You need not love people. You will be in the central portion. You will be healthy throughout your life. If you like someone, you have to dislike somebody else. Understood? So life, first you start liking. From dislike to like you come and then you come to the neutral. You don't have to. The mind.
Point for control of thoughts?
Yeah, there are, all these points will work for that. All these points will work for that.